Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by unlocking your Samsung and opening the Settings app now. Scroll until you see Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls listed. Tap that entry to open Screen Time Tools and Usage Charts. Look at the chart that shows daily screen time for the last 7 days. Tap any app in the list to reveal its specific usage details and timers. Use the chart controls to choose a day and review how many minutes were spent. Tap an app entry to create an app timer and limit daily use. Choose a preset like 1 hour or enter a custom 15 minutes as needed. Confirm the timer so that the app pauses automatically when the limit expires. To limit distractions, enable focus mode and select which apps to pause immediately. Use bedtime mode to dim the screen and silence notifications overnight. Add a parental controls PIN to prevent changes without permission. Review the weekly and monthly graphs in Digital Wellbeing to monitor trends. Switch the view to 7 days or 30 days for broader comparison of habits. Adjust any app timers at any time from the list of apps and timers. Use the export option to save usage data for personal review or accountability. Configure notification limits to reduce interruptions and allow emergency exceptions like phone calls when needed. Revisit settings regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.